Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and let's just keep watching because I know you guys want to see how to get this beautiful look. Like, look at that green, it is gorgeous. Look at that blue, it is absolutely stunning. I know you want to see it, so let's go. Alright guys, that's the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos down below because I post new videos every single day and most of them are good. And there's always content for you guys. And I just love you guys. Thank you so much because we are almost at 150 subscribers and that is amazing. My goal for this whole year was to get to 100 and we're already at almost 150. So me and my husband talked about it, and if I make it to 500, I'll be doing another giveaway. So just look out for that and keep an eye out because I want to give back to you guys for helping me out. We are nowhere near that right now, but when we do, it'll be coming back to you. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.